an icon among icons, unveiling Christ the Redeemer. High atop Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, stands a figure of unparalleled recognition, Christ the Redeemer. This awe-inspiring monument, with its arms outstretched in a gesture of universal embrace, has become synonymous with Rio de Janeiro itself. More than just a statue, Christ the Redeemer represents the profound religious devotion of the Brazilian people. The monument's presence atop Corcovado Mountain serves as a constant reminder of faith's enduring power. It has become a symbol of Brazil itself, a representation of the nation's warmth and welcoming spirit. For those who make the pilgrimage to the top of Corcovado Mountain, Christ the Redeemer is more than just a sight to behold.
A vision brought to life, the making of a monument. The story of Christ the Redeemer is as compelling as the monument itself, a tale of vision, perseverance, and collaboration. The idea for a religious monument atop Corcovado Mountain was first proposed in the 1850s, but was put on hold due to lack of funding and support. In 1922, a design competition was held, and Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa's vision of a colossal statue of Christ with outstretched arms was chosen, symbolizing peace and welcoming. The project was a massive undertaking, requiring contributions from engineers, architects, and artists from Brazil and around the world, each bringing their expertise to the table. Materials were hauled up the steep slopes of Corcovado Mountain, and innovative techniques were used to create the statue's reinforced concrete frame, ensuring its durability. The statue's exterior, made from thousands of triangular soapstone tiles, was meticulously applied by hand, each piece contributing to the monument's grandeur. After nearly a decade of construction, Christ the Redeemer was inaugurated on October 12, 1931, marking the completion of a project that had captured the imagination and hearts of the Brazilian people, becoming an enduring symbol of faith and resilience.
Ascending to the divine, choosing your path. The journey to the top of Corcovado Mountain, home to Christ the Redeemer, is an adventure in itself. Visitors have several options for reaching the summit, each offering a unique perspective on the surrounding landscape. Those seeking a more physical challenge can opt for the hiking trails that wind through the lush Tijuca National Forest. For a more leisurely ascent, vans and taxis are available to transport visitors to the top. However, the most iconic way to reach Christ the Redeemer is by the Corcovado train, offering a charming and scenic journey through the heart of the rainforest.
The Corcovado train, a journey through time and nature. Boarding the Corcovado train is like stepping back in time. The bright red carriages, with their wooden interiors and brass accents, exude a sense of old-world charm. As the train pulls away from the station, anticipation builds for the experience that awaits at the top. The train slowly ascends the mountainside, offering panoramic views of the cityscape below. Lush rainforest flanks the tracks, creating a tunnel of green that envelops the train. Along the way, the train passes through tunnels carved into the mountainside, adding an element of excitement to the journey. The train ride itself is an integral part of the Christ the Redeemer experience, providing a moment of reflection and anticipation.
Section 5. At the foot of the Redeemer. Awe-inspiring views. As the Corcovado train reaches its final destination, a collective gasp arises from the passengers as they disembark. Standing tall and proud atop Corcovado Mountain is Christ the Redeemer, his outstretched arms seeming to embrace the entire city below. The sheer scale of the monument is breathtaking. Standing at 38 meters tall, with an arm span of 28 meters, Christ the Redeemer dominates the landscape. The white soapstone tiles that cover the statue shimmer in the sunlight, giving the Redeemer an ethereal glow. From this vantage point, the sprawling metropolis of Rio de Janeiro unfolds before you like a map come to life. Guanabara Bay sparkles in the distance, while Sugarloaf Mountain stands sentinel at the entrance to the bay.
Section 6. Planning your pilgrimage. Tips for an unforgettable visit. A visit to Christ the Redeemer is an experience of a lifetime, and a little planning can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and memorable trip. This iconic statue, standing tall over Rio de Janeiro, offers breathtaking views and a sense of awe that is hard to match. Book your tickets in advance to avoid long lines and ensure you get the time slot you prefer. Christ the Redeemer is one of Rio's most popular attractions, so it's essential to book your tickets online, especially during peak season. This will save you time and allow you to enjoy more of what the site has to offer. Choose the right time to visit for the best experience. Early morning or late afternoon offers the best lighting for photos and tends to be less crowded. These times also provide a more serene atmosphere, perfect for taking in the beauty of the surroundings. Dress comfortably and be prepared for the weather. The weather can change quickly, so it's best to be prepared. Wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a fair amount of walking, and dress in layers as the weather at the top can be unpredictable. This will ensure you stay comfortable throughout your visit. Allow ample time for your visit to fully appreciate the site. Plan to spend at least 2 to 3 hours at the site, including the time it takes to ascend and descend the mountain. This will give you enough time to explore and take in the views. Bring your camera and capture the memories. Don't forget to take plenty of photos to remember your visit. The views from the top are simply stunning, so be sure to have your camera fully charged and ready to capture the beauty of this iconic landmark. These photos will be cherished memories of your unforgettable visit.
Section 7. Guardians of the Redeemer unveiling the secrets of its upkeep. Maintaining a monument as grand as Christ the Redeemer, exposed to the elements atop Corcovado Mountain, is no easy feat. The statue stands as a sentinel over Rio de Janeiro, facing the harsh sun, torrential rains, and powerful winds. A dedicated team of engineers, architects, and conservationists work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that this symbol of faith and hope continues to inspire generations to come. Their expertise and commitment are crucial in preserving the statue's structural integrity and aesthetic beauty. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Redeemer's upkeep is the use of lightning rods. These rods are strategically placed to protect the statue from the frequent lightning strikes it endures. The statue's location atop the mountain makes it a prime target for lightning strikes, and a sophisticated system of lightning rods helps to divert the electrical current, safeguarding the monument from potential damage. The soapstone tiles that cover the statue's exterior are also meticulously inspected and repaired as needed. These tiles give the statue its iconic appearance and must be maintained with great care. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause the tiles to crack or become discolored. This natural wear and tear is inevitable but manageable with regular maintenance. Skilled artisans carefully replace damaged tiles with new ones, ensuring that the Redeemer's appearance remains pristine. Their craftsmanship is essential in preserving the statue's majestic look. Periodic cleaning is another essential aspect of the monument's upkeep. This process removes dirt and grime that accumulate over time, keeping the statue looking its best. The team responsible for maintaining Christ the Redeemer approaches their task with a deep sense of pride and reverence. Their dedication ensures that this iconic symbol continues to stand tall and inspire awe in all who behold it.
Section 8. More than a monument. Christ the Redeemer's enduring legacy. Christ the Redeemer has become more than just a tourist attraction or a symbol of Rio de Janeiro. It has transcended its physical form to embody the spirit of Brazil itself, a nation known for its warmth and vibrancy. The monument's outstretched arms, a universal gesture of peace and acceptance, have come to represent the welcoming spirit of the Brazilian people. In times of hardship or uncertainty, Christ the Redeemer serves as a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, faith and resilience can prevail. As a testament to its global significance, Christ the Redeemer was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world in 2007.
Section 9. Beyond the Redeemer, Rio's other must-see wonders. While Christ the Redeemer is undoubtedly the crown jewel of Rio de Janeiro, the city offers a treasure trove of other attractions. No trip to Rio would be complete without strolling along the world-famous beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. For a taste of Rio's musical heritage, head to the bohemian neighborhood of Lapa, where samba clubs pulsate with the rhythms of this infectious Brazilian music and dance style. Lose yourself in the music, mingle with the locals, and experience the true spirit of Rio's nightlife. Nature lovers will be enchanted by the Tijuca National Park, a sprawling rainforest that blankets much of the city. Hike through lush trails, admire cascading waterfalls, and keep an eye out for exotic wildlife, all within the city limits.
Section 10. Answer the call. Experience the magic of Christ the Redeemer. The allure of Christ the Redeemer extends far beyond its iconic image. It's a call to experience something truly extraordinary, a pilgrimage to a place where faith, beauty, and human aspiration converge. Standing before this magnificent monument, one can't help but feel a sense of awe, a connection to something larger than oneself. So answer the call. Embark on your own journey to Rio de Janeiro and witness the wonder of Christ the Redeemer. Let the city's vibrant energy wash over you. Embrace the warmth of its people, and allow yourself to be inspired by the breathtaking beauty of this remarkable destination. It's a memory that will forever hold a special place in your heart, a reminder of the power of faith, the beauty of human creation, and the importance of embracing the wonders of our world.